Hey guys, it's Jackie. I'm not sure how the lighting looks. I'm trying to work with it, and I want to do this look for you guys, so I'm hoping that the light doesn't mess up too bad. But Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and I'm just gonna set it with my regular powder. Just put my braids in like a hairband so I could get it out of my face. And I'm gonna take the Tasty Peach palette. This one is kind of dirty, don't like it. I want to do one of the pink ones because I'm gonna use this glitter, this like white-ish glitter. I don't know if I can show you guys. I don't want to drop it. What does it say? Melba. This one. I'm gonna start putting that one like in the corner of my eye, and then hopefully you guys. I'm gonna try to put my thing right here, so when I'm doing it, you guys can see me. I'm probably gonna put music and put like stuff, my voice like over, cause it's color. I'm gonna plop it all over there, like so, and then I'm gonna start blending it out. So basically what I'm doing is just adding color, blending, adding color, blending, and that's basically what I'm doing here. And this look did take kind of a lot of blending, so you know, don't get discouraged. Just add more color, blend it out, add more color, blend it out, you know, just repeat the process. And yeah, that's basically what I'm doing here in the next few clips. I'm gonna keep blending, and honestly, right now I'm taking like a little tolerance break because I noticed that I wasn't staying high like at all. Like I would smoke, and like if like an hour would go by or something like that, and I'd be like, did I smoke though? Did I really smoke? So I said, you know, I think it's time for a little tea break or whatever. So I'm taking a little tea break, and I feel good because the last time I took a tea break was like a lot worse. Like I thought I had been like on fucking crack or something because I was over here like sweating and like dying, and like it just was too much. Like I thought I was like, was I really smoking just weed? Like, but it was because I hadn't had a tea break for like years. So I was like smoking every day for years. So I get why I felt like that. But yeah, when I first took my first tea break, it was the worst. So now, right now, it's like a little bit better. Like I feel like it's not as bad as the first time. The first time was like horrible. But I'm feeling good. I went on a walk today. I felt really good. And yeah, like I'm just taking things day by day. And I'm glad that I'm not smoking because, you know, I do want to like actually feel high when I smoke, you know? And because I was smoking so much, like I was not feeling high at all. So I'm actually glad that I'm taking this break because I know once I smoke again, it'll be a lot better. Like I won't be like super, just my tolerance won't be as high is basically what I'm trying to say. Because when I was smoking, my tolerance was built up. I mean, I was smoking woods. I would smoke like wood after wood, you know? And it's like, you know? So right here, nothing's really much changed. I'm still doing the blending, adding color, blending, adding color. And, you know, just keep doing that until you get your desired look. I try to blend it out as much as I can just so it'll all go together. Like I don't like when you can really tell when it's not really blended. So that's why I blend for a long time. And then I ended up with the bottom. Now like I'm gonna do like the little part that's like without eyeshadow and just put this stuff in it, like the white stuff, the glitter. You guys will see probably. So now I'm just taking my regular lash glue that I use to put on my lashes, and I'm just applying it where there's no eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna take the glitter that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, and I'm just gonna add, just using my finger and then going back and forth, adding glue whenever I need to add more glue, or adding more glitter when I need to add more glitter. And I'm just doing that, repeating that process to both eyes. And then just looking at my eyes and seeing where I could fill in the spots with more glitter or which parts need more glue. And yeah, that's basically it. It's really, you know, it's not really a hard process, but it might feel hard at first because you're like basically, you know, touching your eyes a lot. And my eyes are really sensitive, they get really watery. So for me, my eyes do get watery. So if you have sensitive eyes, you know, just be aware of that. But now I'm just doing my other eye, letting it dry a little bit, you know, fanning it so the process will go a little quicker. And then I'm just adding the glitter again to the other eye like I did to the first one. And, you know, just do it however you guys feel, like if you need to add more glitter or less glitter. And now I'm just taking a little wipe and then just cleaning off all the excess glitter that fell, all the fallout. And yeah, you know, a lot of glitter does fall when you're working with loose glitter, so just keep in mind that. And that's why I'm just taking a little wipe before I take my primer, and I'm using the e.l.f. And again, I'll leave all of my products down below so you guys can see what I'm using. And I'm just putting that primer all over my face. And yeah, comment down below what videos you guys want to see or what looks you want to see, and I'll do more of that. If you guys want to see Halloween looks or Halloween makeup looks, I'll definitely do that. You know, there's still a few weeks before Halloween, so I could get a few knocked out. Just comment down below which looks you would be more interested in watching me recreate or make a tutorial out of them. And now I'm just, what am I doing here? Oh, I'm plopping my lashes. Honestly, I feel like I can put on my lashes better with my fingers than with tweezers. But when I have acrylic nails, it's easier to use tweezers. But yeah, usually I just plop them on with my fingers because it's a lot easier. You just, you know. But I used to have a really hard time putting on lashes. Your boyfriend is a fun. How you even stand him? I'm gonna blend in my regular eyelashes to my fake lashes, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. Yeah. So right here, I'm just applying some mascara to my top lashes, and then I'm gonna be blending them in just so it'll look a little more natural, so you won't be able to see my lashes poking out through the fake lashes or whatever. And then after that, I'm gonna be taking my concealer and I'm just gonna conceal under my eyes. I'm also gonna conceal like a little bit of my nose area as well, as you can see in the video. And also let me know if you guys want me to start talking more in the videos, because if you want me to do like a chit chat get ready with me where I'm actually talking in the videos instead of doing like a voiceover, just let me know in the comments. Like, leave any suggestions for other videos. That'd be cool too, just so I know what you guys want to see next. And right here, I'm just blending in the concealer, and I'm taking actually like a little sponge, not like the big sponge I use for my foundation, but I'm just taking a little bit of a smaller one, just so I'll get like a more, you know, just a more blended out look. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and take like a kind of like a painter's brush looking type of thing, and then I use that one to apply my foundation. I don't know, I feel like it's easier. Fucking diamonds. Kobe Bryant. Without even trying. Sorry, I guess I had to have a little karaoke moment right there, but this is a brush I was talking about. So I'm just laying down the foundation, and then after that, that's when I take my big sponge. And I love wetting my sponge before because it makes it a lot bigger. So then when I'm blending in the foundation, it just goes by faster just because it's bigger. I don't know, you guys can put water on yours or not, however you guys want to do your makeup, but I just do that. I feel like it's a little bit easier when I'm blending it in, because I feel like sometimes when I take longer to blend in my foundation, there'll be more creases, but I don't know, I like doing that. There goes my little karaoke ass again, throwing them raps. I'm just kidding. Cringy. But anyways, I'm just setting my foundation right here with my powder, and I'm just doing like underneath my eyes and underneath my cheekbones, because I do want to contour a little bit, which is what I'm doing right now. So I'm just contouring, and I do use a lot of powder, like a lot of color, but then you'll see me blending it out, so then it'll look normal, you know what I mean? But I honestly like to put on a lot of bronzer and then blend it out, because I feel like a lot of the times you can't really see bronzer on me. So just packing it on right there, as you can tell, dusting it off, putting it back on, And then I take a different brush, and with that brush, as you see right here, I'm blending it all out just to make it more natural, not too much of a whoa, it's right there type of contour, but just kind of like, oh, okay, she's nice and bronzed and glowy or whatever. So that's what I'm doing here. And now I'm just putting my moles. I'm just drawing back all my little moles that I have on my face. And I'm using the brow pencil that I used for my eyebrows just because it's the same color. So I feel like it'll look more natural than using like a black or a lighter color in my opinion. But that's what I'm doing right here. And yeah, I didn't know it was going to take this long to fill in my moles because we'll just let her fill in her moles. Let's just let her. And then right here, I'm just going to start applying some highlight to the sides of my face as well as my nose just to give a little pop of glitter or just a little pop. I mean, there's already a lot of pop, but you know. And then I did want to mention that my eyelashes, I actually added the little hearts myself. I did not buy them like that. I just used the same glitter, the white glitter from the look, and I just grabbed the little hearts and then glued them on there. And yeah, DIY, you know. Now I'm just doing the bottom of my, yeah, I just put the same color that's on my eyelid on the bottom just to like, you know, make it look more, give it a more of a pop. And then I'm throwing in some spray, setting spray, and that's it. The end of the look, and this is how it came out. It's hard to show you guys because hello outfit. It's hard to show you guys because there's not really good lighting anymore. But give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what look you want me to do next and what colors you want me to use. And check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!